In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change a chainsaw chain, and I'm going to show you the right tension for your chainsaw chain. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. So whether you're changing the chainsaw chain on a gas-powered chainsaw, an electric chainsaw, a cordless chainsaw, or a itty-bitty-bitty chainsaw, the concept is just the same. Now step one, you're going to release the brake. This will allow the chain to spin freely. Next, your chainsaw probably came with a chainsaw tool. If not, find the appropriate socket size. We're going to remove the bar mounting nuts off the bar mounting stud. Do be careful, these teeth are sharp. Then we're going to remove the bar mounting nuts. Then we're going to remove the clutch cover and put that to the side. Now you can see the chainsaw drive sprocket as well as the bar sprocket on the end. Now we're going to slide the bar towards the sprocket. This will allow slack in the chain and allow us to lift the chain off the groove. Now we lift the chain off the drive sprocket at the back and work the chain off of the bar. Now you've got the chainsaw chain off the bar. Now that you have the clutch cover off and the chainsaw off, now's a good time to brush out any sawdust that might have packed in there. So now lay out your replacement chain so there's no kinks. Next, we're going to make sure the bar is flat against the housing, spin it around, and we're going to start to feed the replacement chain over the nose of the bar. We're going to pay careful attention to the direction of the chain. The curvature of the guides goes in the direction of the rotation of the chain. We're going to place the loop over the nose of the bar and around the sprocket. The slack is staying up here towards the nose. Now we can start to get the guides in the groove on the chain bar and over the sprocket at the nose of the bar. Make sure it's all in the groove and over the sprockets on both ends before you start to push the bar out. Then slide the bar out. Now the chain should be in the groove on the bar and around both sprockets. Again, make sure the bar is up against the chainsaw housing. Next, I want to replace the clutch cover, and for this model, I want to make sure that the stud goes in the hole on the bar. I can adjust that stud if needed. Now the stud is in the hole in the bar, and the chain is still lined up. Now I want to replace the mounting nuts back on the studs. We only want to hand tighten the mounting nuts because we're going to be doing some adjustment. Next, we want to remove the slack out of the chain by turning the tensioner screw clockwise. We want to do so until the slack is removed from the chain. You want to take all the slack out of the chain. Give it half a turn and test. Another half a turn and test. Then you want to see if you can spin the chain. It should spin freely. If it doesn't, back it off. I don't want the guides to be able to lift up outside of the groove. When you have the chain adjusted to the proper tension, then tighten down your bar locking nuts. Now keep the chainsaw tool handy. There's a reason why it comes in the kit, because as the chainsaw is being used, the metal is going to heat up and it's going to expand. That's going to make the chain sloppy in there. You'll have to stop your cutting and adjust the tension again. I hope this helps. For more lawn and garden tips and tricks, click the image on your screen now.